Ever wondered why we look straight into the eyes when we see a picture of a face? It's no coincidence. It's a fascinating part of human behavior. This is the first of many intriguing facts we'll be exploring today. Did you know that people with low self-esteem often resort to humiliating others? It's a defense mechanism, a way to feel better about themselves. And speaking of defense mechanisms, there's an interesting phenomenon when it comes to lost wallets. People are significantly more likely to return a lost wallet if they find a picture of a child inside. It's a tug at the heartstrings that often results in the right thing being done. Now let's talk about blame. We have a tendency to blame a person's behavior on their personality, unless we're talking about ourselves. Then, it's all about the circumstances. Have you noticed how the pace of someone's walk can influence your perception of them? Studies suggest that people who walk faster are generally seen as more confident and happier than those who walk slower. And here's a delightful twist. Spending money on others can make you happier than spending on yourself. Generosity has an interesting way of boosting our own happiness. Sibling relationships also have a significant impact on us. The better your relationship with your siblings, the more socially adept you tend to be. Are you a morning lark or a night owl? It turns out your genes have a say in this. Some people are genetically predisposed to be more active in the morning or at night. On a more controversial note, people are more likely to break laws if they perceive one law to be too strict. It's an odd way our rebellious streak manifests. Group dynamics also play a huge role in decision-making. Larger groups tend to make more subjective and less effective decisions than smaller groups. Ever heard of the cheerleader effect? It's the phenomenon where hanging out with friends can actually make you appear more attractive. We're also not as honest as we think we are. It's more common for us to twist the truth in our favor than to accept it as it is. And finally, the phrase, "I need to talk to you about something," can send our brains into overdrive, cycling through all the potentially harmful things we've done recently. It's a testament to our fear of confrontation and guilt. To summarize, human behavior is a complex and fascinating field. From our eye contact habits to our spending patterns, our interactions with others, and our innate responses to various situations, we are all shaped by a mix of genetic and environmental factors. These 13 facts are but a glimpse into the intricate tapestry of human behavior, a field that continues to captivate and perplex us with its depth and diversity.